Terraria Mobile crashes on Android primarily due to three interconnected factors: hardware fragmentation, software incompatibilities, and the game's optimization challenges. These issues are particularly pronounced on Android because of the platform's diverse device ecosystem. Hardware fragmentation is a major cause of crashes. Android devices come in countless variations with different processors, graphics chips, memory capacities, and storage types. Terraria's demanding 2D graphics and world generation can overwhelm budget phones or older models, causing the app to terminate. Software incompatibilities also contribute significantly. Different Android OS versions, from older releases to the latest updates, can create conflicts with Terraria's code. App permissions, background processes, and even security features like Google's Play Integrity can cause unexpected crashes during gameplay. Finally, Terraria's optimization challenges exacerbate these problems. The game's complex world building and combat systems require significant processing power. On devices with limited resources, this leads to overheating as the phone works too hard, memory shortages during large world loads, and graphic glitches that crash the app. Budget phones are especially vulnerable to these issues. Before diving into fixes, check your phone's specs. Use an app like CPU-Z to see your CPU, GPU, and RAM. Terraria needs at least 3 gigabytes of RAM to run smoothly. If you have a low-end processor like a Snapdragon 400 series or less than 3 gigabytes RAM, crashes are more likely. Knowing your specs helps you understand if your device can handle the game or if it is time for an upgrade. A simple first step to resolve Terraria mobile crashes on Android is to clear the app's cache and data. This removes temporary files that might be corrupted and causing the game to crash. Start by going to your Android settings menu. Navigate to the Apps section, then find and select Terraria from your list of installed apps. Tap on Storage to access the app's storage settings. This shows you the space Terraria is using. Here, clear both the cache and the app data. This deletes temporary files without affecting your save game progress, which is safely stored in the cloud. Don't worry about losing your progress. It's stored in the cloud, so you'll keep all your worlds and achievements. Clearing the cache often resolves simple crashes caused by corrupted temporary files. Ensure you're running the latest version of Terraria from the Google Play Store. Relogic regularly releases updates with bug fixes and optimizations. Also, keep your Android OS updated. Newer Android versions often have improved memory management and compatibility. Outdated software can cause conflicts and instability. Terraria's graphics settings can strain your device. In the game's settings menu, reduce the graphics quality to low or medium. Disable frame skip and lighting effects. These tweaks can significantly reduce the load on your CPU and GPU, preventing overheating and crashes. This is crucial for older or less powerful devices. Terraria requires certain permissions to function correctly, such as storage access and location for multiplayer. Go to Android Settings, then Apps, find Terraria, and tap Permissions. Ensure all necessary permissions are enabled. Denied permissions can cause unexpected errors and crashes. Overheating is a major cause of crashes in Terraria Mobile. When your Android device gets too hot, it can lead to performance issues and sudden app closures. To prevent overheating, avoid playing Terraria in direct sunlight or hot environments. High ambient temperatures can quickly raise your device's internal temperature, leading to thermal throttling. Use a cooling app to monitor your device's temperature. These apps can alert you when your phone is getting too hot and suggest actions like closing background apps or using a cooling pad. Limit your playtime in long sessions to prevent your device from overheating. Extended gameplay generates heat, especially during intense battles or world exploration. Take breaks to allow your device to cool down. High temperatures can cause performance throttling and sudden game closures. When your device overheats, Android automatically reduces CPU and GPU performance to cool down, making Terraria lag or crash. While mods can enhance Terraria, unofficial mods can be unstable and cause crashes. If you're using Tmod Loader, ensure your mods are compatible with your Terraria version and are from trusted sources. Disable mods one by one to identify if a specific mod is causing the issue. Mods often add unoptimized assets, increasing the risk of crashes.